Welcome to the home game.
Okay.
So Animal Relay is our home game for today, and the first thing I want to mention is how we are outside today. You can have played any of the home games up until now outside, and I do urge you to get outside as often as you can where possible. This game in particular, we're looking at 5 different movements, and you're going to relay from start to finish 5 separate times, picking an animal movement or any other movement, going backwards and forwards to see which of you is the winner.
Max, you.